Bird Box is a gripping psychological horror novel that tells the story of a world plunged into chaos by an unseen terror. The narrative alternates between the present, where the protagonist, Malorie, is struggling to survive, and flashbacks that reveal how society collapsed. The book begins with a sense of impending doom as people around the world begin to experience a strange phenomenon. Once they see an unknown entity, they are driven to madness and violence. The story is set in an unspecified location, where Malorie lives with her two young children, known only as boy and girl. They are forced to navigate a world where the sight of the entities, whatever they may be, leads to catastrophic consequences. This unseen threat instills deep fear, causing people to either kill themselves or harm others when they catch a glimpse of it. To cope with this terrifying reality, Malorie and her children must remain blindfolded whenever they venture outside. As the story unfolds, readers learn about Malorie's past and the events leading up to the current situation. The chaos began with reports of people going insane after seeing something outside. This phenomenon spreads rapidly, causing panic and destruction in cities and towns. Malorie, who is pregnant at the time, must navigate her own fears while preparing for motherhood. In the flashbacks, Malorie's life takes a drastic turn when she meets her sister, who is deeply affected by the madness sweeping the world. They witness the horror unfold, experiencing loss and trauma as their friends and family succumb to the entity's influence. Malorie's sister ultimately loses her battle against the madness, which leaves a lasting impact on Malorie and reinforces her determination to survive. As Malorie seeks refuge, she encounters a diverse group of survivors, each grappling with their own fears and traumas. Among them is Greg, a man who tries to maintain some sense of order amid the chaos, and Cheryl, who has a more skeptical and pessimistic outlook. The group struggles to adapt to their new reality, sharing stories and forming bonds, but tension rises as their situation becomes more desperate. The survivors are trapped in a house, trying to stay safe from the outside world. They rely on each other for support, but paranoia begins to seep in as resources dwindle and tensions rise. The threat of the entity looms over them, creating a sense of dread that intensifies with each passing day. Malorie's protective instincts for her children become a driving force in the narrative, showcasing her fierce determination to keep them safe at all costs. As the story progresses, Malorie's relationships with the other survivors deepen, but so do the challenges they face. The group grapples with difficult decisions, including whether to risk going outside to gather supplies or to stay hidden and hope for the best. This conflict leads to moments of moral ambiguity, forcing Malorie to confront her beliefs about survival and sacrifice. One of the central themes of the novel is motherhood. Malorie's experiences reflect her struggles as a parent in a world filled with danger. Her children represent hope and the future, and she is willing to do anything to protect them. This theme of maternal instinct is woven throughout the narrative, highlighting the lengths to which a mother will go to ensure her children's survival. As tensions escalate, the group faces betrayal and loss. The dynamics among the survivors shift, revealing the darker aspects of human nature when faced with fear. The entity outside becomes a symbol of the unknown, representing not just physical danger but also the emotional and psychological turmoil experienced by each character. In the present timeline, Malorie and her children embark on a dangerous journey down a river in a makeshift boat. They must remain blindfolded to avoid seeing the entity, relying on their other senses to navigate through the treacherous waters. This journey is fraught with peril, as they encounter obstacles and dangers at every turn. The tension mounts as the story builds toward its climax, forcing Malorie to confront her deepest fears. The journey down the river serves as a metaphor for the struggle for survival. It highlights themes of resilience, hope, and the bond between mother and children. Malorie's determination shines through as she pushes forward, despite the odds stacked against them. The children, too, demonstrate their strength and adaptability, reflecting the importance of nurturing their independence. As they navigate this treacherous landscape, flashbacks provide further context about Malorie's life before the chaos. Readers learn about her relationships, her struggles with trust, and the impact of her experiences on her psyche. These glimpses into her past reveal the emotional scars she carries and the motivations driving her actions. The climax of the story brings a series of shocking revelations and confrontations. Malorie must confront not only the external dangers posed by the entity but also the internal conflicts within herself and the group. The choices she makes during this critical moment define her character and solidify her role as a fierce protector of her children. In the resolution, Malorie's journey leads her to a place of newfound understanding and acceptance. The challenges she faced have transformed her, instilling a sense of resilience and hope. The narrative concludes with a sense of ambiguity, leaving readers to ponder the nature of fear, survival, and the human spirit. Bird Box is a thought-provoking exploration of the fragility of society and the strength found in motherhood. Josh Malerman masterfully weaves a tale of suspense, blending horror with deep emotional resonance. The novel invites readers to confront their fears and question the boundaries of human resilience in the face of unimaginable circumstances. Overall, the story is a haunting reflection on survival, connection, and the lengths one will go to protect loved ones in a world filled with darkness.